Assalamualaikum friends, here is 15 smoke color background in PNG file, but these are protected password in this app by now for lifetime. And here is my Facebook page, join me. Last is Telegram channel, subscribe me for latest notification of every data video. Okay, amazing. You can change color in Photoshop or you can use in background. Okay, for example, open in Photoshop, selective color, so you can change here red color, and here is magenta, natural, green. You look here. Okay, press U. Ho. Depend your own choice. Okay, now wow. Depend your own choice. You make more better. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. I love you.